Hey guys, today I'm going to discuss about some corruptions that are done by the Amazon because they are actually stealing sellers' money by saying that sellers are doing fraudulent activities on their website. Yes, this is happening. There are few sellers who are doing fraudulent activities, but keeping them in front, what Amazon is doing is that they are taking off the payment of the sellers who are not even doing fraud. They have done some of the shady stuff. They have done some of the stuff which is against their policies, but it does not mean that Amazon owns their money or they become the owner of their money, which is not true. This is exactly what Amazon did with one of our clients. Actually, these are the two of our clients. What they did is that they took their money and they said that your funds are permanently with us and you are not allowed to take even your own money back. They did with two of our clients, and I'm for sure this is happening outside and they are stealing money of so many people. So the client approached me and we went and we tried to appeal within the Seller Central.